Distinguishing between A and B or distinguishing A from B are the only two correct usages of distinguish. Answer choice A says distinguish A and B. That's not correct. It should be distinguishing between A and B or distinguishing A from B. Look at choice B. So this says distinguishing A from B, so this can stay. Choice C, distinguishing A from B, so this can stay. Choice D, this says distinguishing A and B, so no, this can go. Choice E, this is distinguishing between A and somewhere an and here, B, so okay, this can also stay. Choice E seems a bit awkward. Let's get this out of the way. So nature enthusiasts are far less the expert. The expert? No, far less expert would be the right usage. And then when it comes to distinguishing between, now this says 1, 2, 3 and 4 things, that changes the meaning. The meaning is that they are far less experts in distinguishing A from B and C from D, something like that. The meaning is not that they are far less experts in distinguishing among 4 things. Anyway, distinguish is used only when there are only 2 things involved. It's not used when there are 4 things involved. So a lot wrong with answer choice E. We can put a big cross mark here. Now let's compare B and C, and the meaning is very important here. See, the usage is that they are far less expert in distinguishing. This part here, let's call it A from B, comma, C from D. So see, in any one phrase, distinguishing is comparing between 2 things, distinguishing A from B and then C from D. This is the construction. What answer choice B does is, it says much less expert when it comes to, so there is a bit of redundancy, awkwardness issue here. And then distinguishing A and B, comma, C from D. So distinguishing C from D is still alright, but if we are saying distinguishing A and B, that's not correct. Distinguishing between A and B and then distinguishing C from D. Distinguishing between A and B is the right usage, or distinguishing A from B is the right usage. So answer choice B is incorrect here, in once having A and B format and then having C from D format, and this format is anyway not correct, distinguishing A and B. So the reason for which we eliminated A and D in the beginning is very much a reason why B should not be correct, distinguishing A and B. So one more reason why B should not be correct. And then of course we saw a redundancy issue here, when it comes is not needed. So choice C has one more reason for being incorrect. Let's confirm choice C once. Although most nature enthusiasts can easily differentiate between A and B, they are far less expert in distinguishing C from D, comma, E from F. So broad construction, they can easily differentiate between A and B. They are far less expert in distinguishing C from D, comma, E from F. A very interesting question.